How to comment in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to comment on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now scroll down and simply find the feed where you want to just comment. Now to comment, here you can find the comment button right here. Now tap on it. Now to simply comment, tap on to join the conversation just right here and simply tap on it. Then simply add the comment just like this and tap on to reply. And now you can see your comment has been added. And that's it. This is how you can comment in the Reddit application. It is a very easy process, right? Now do the same process for other posts as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.